this is session 3, handling category of carriage dangerous good. We are on the session 3 today. So the subtopics only 2, which is this is carriage of dangerous good, the first topic, and the second topic is the operational transportation of IMDG code part 7. So we go to the first topic, is the carriage of dangerous good. So we know dangerous goods are goods that present a risk to the crew and to the ship safety, or has a risk of pollution of the marine environment. So the major part of dangerous goods at sea is carried as bulk cargo in liquid or solid form by bulk carriers or tankers. So another part is carried as a package dangerous goods by general cargo ship, container ships, passenger ships, and the others, the ships, like that ship. So the packed dangerous goods also include entire truckloads of goods in bulk or tank vehicles carried by sea on board ro-ro ships or passenger ships. So we're going to talk about this carriage of dangerous goods by ship is irrespective of size, regulated by the Danish Maritime Authority. We select this Danish Maritime Authority because this is a very good sample for me, according to me. So because it can be divided into the following transport groups. The first group is dangerous goods in package form. The second form is the second group is solid bulk cargoes. The third group is liquid chemicals in bulk. The fourth group, liquid gas in bulk. And the fifth group is radiated nuclear fuel, plutonium, and high-level radioactive waste. Ships are generally required to be in possession of documents containing information about the specific cargo before the loading is initiated. So furthermore, in this transport group, there are special requirements for cargo documentation. So you can see on the picture here, this is the group, a package form on the right hand side. This is the bulk cargo. It will be divided into a liquid. This is represented by the oil, liquid gas, and this is another solid bulk carrier in solid. So the first group, the dangerous goods in package form on board ships. The dangerous goods in package form must be carried in accordance with the provision of the IMDG code. The IMDG code contains lists of dangerous substance and requirements for marking. This marking to mark this package, packaging separation. Later on we will have a table of segregation from other dangerous goods substance and location on board of the dangerous substance. So the packaged dangerous goods are carried by dry cargo carriers. So the carriers is the dry cargo carriers, general cargo ships, container ships, and ro-ro cargo, and also passenger ships. So this is the picture. You can see this is the package, sample of the package. And this is included limited and accepted quantity on IMDG code. I think last week we talked about this limited and accepted quantity. This is the mark of limited quantity, and this is the accepted quantity. And the second group, solid bulk cargoes. Bulk cargoes are characterized by solid products consisting of a combination of particles, granulates, or large pieces of material that is normally homogeneously structured and which is loaded directly into the hold of a ship without any type of intermediate packaging. So this is like a gram, like coal, charcoal, batu bara, in Indonesia. Such cargo must be carried in accordance with the provision of the IMSBC code. This is the specific arrangement using the International Maritime Solid Bulk Cargoes Code. So another code beside the IMDG code. So, but this is related one each other. The carriage of bulk cargoes may involve a number of risk elements that can be attributed to the dangerous properties of the product carried. They may be product with dangerous properties or product which can generate combustible, poisonous, or harmful vapors during transport, are especially heavy and therefore can harm the structure of the ship, can slide in the hold and thereby affect the stability of the ship, change their character during transport, for example sphagnum, which can transfer from solid to liquid form, etc. Such cargo are carried by sea and board bulk carriers, dry cargo carriers, barges, etc. And the third group is dangerous liquid chemicals in bulk. You can see the ship is tanker ship. The dangerous liquid chemicals are chemicals that are listed in chapter 17 of the IBC code. So another specific regulation to carry the liquid chemicals. This is International Bulk Chemical Code. The list of chemicals state which type of ship is permitted to carry the chemical. There are three types, 1, 2, and 3, on which type 1 is permitted to carry the most dangerous substance. The dangerous liquid chemicals in bulk are carried by chemical tankers that meet the requirements of the IBC code. However, oil tankers can be designed to transport a few types of these three chemicals. These products can be seen from their certification. Later on, we can identify, we can recognize these three chemicals because the certification written there. And the fourth group is liquefied gas in bulk. Any type of liquefied gas or other product listed in chapter 19 of the IGC code, International Gas Carry Code, another specific again of the arrangement using IGC, International Gas Carrier Code. This product is subdivides the product into 4 types: 1G, 2G, 2,4G, and 3G. Where type 1G ships are permitted to carry the most dangerous products. Liquefied gas in bulk is carried on board gas tankers meeting the requirement of the IGC code. So this is IGC code. And the fifth group is irradiated nuclear fuel, plutonium, and high-level radiated waste. So this is radiation. We talk about class 7 material that is also covered by the International Code for the safe carriage of packet irradiated nuclear fuel, plutonium, and high-level radioactive wastes on board ships. They call it INF code. This is the shorten of this what they call the International Code for the safe carriage of packets irradiated nuclear fuel, plutonium, and high-level radioactive wastes. So the ships carrying these cargoes must meet the provision of Notice B from this Native Maritime Authority, and those of the INF code. The ships are divided into 3 classes, where class 3 is the most dangerous one. So it's contrary with the other classes. If radioactive, the dangerous one is a class 3, or you can see is the biggest number. But like the previous substance, the dangerous is the small number, like class or not class, but this is let's see, this is 1G, 1 is the dangerous one, yeah, in gas. Also in liquid is 1 is the dangerous one. So the cargoes are carried by dry cargo carriers meeting the requirement of the IMF code and holding an INF certificate. So carried by sea of radioactive goods including IMF cargoes, yeah. So now the second topic, we are into the second topic, is transport operation of IMDG code section 7. So in IMDG code section 7, there are 9 operational stages for transporting DG or dangerous goods based on IMDG code, yeah, in section 7 as follows. One is, we will talk about a general stowage provision, how to stow it, how to handle the during stowage. So there is a code of stowage and handling later on when we open this book. And the second is a general segregation provision, where there is a segregation table available for us to know whether some class need segregate or not, and there is a segregation group, segregation codes also, and the flowchart of the segregation. Segregation meaning like need separation, or they need safety distance, yeah, minimum safety distance between the dangerous goods during stowage. Consigning operation concerning the packing and use of cargo transport unit, yeah. Cargo transport unit meaning also like containers or packets. And related provision, we'll talk about the packing, segregation, tracking, yeah, opening or unloading, temperature control, and also the loading of cargo transport unit on board the ships. So this is about operation, consigning operation, yeah. The fourth stage is stowage again and segregation on container ship, but now is on container ship, where the topic on this chapter will talk about stowage and segregation requirement on the container ship. And the fifth is stowage and segregation on ro-ro ship, roll-on, roll-out ship. And the sixth is stowage and segregation on general cargo ship. 7, shipborne baggage on this is BCS is bark carrying ship. BCS is bark carrying ship, where there is backloading, stowage and segregation bars on BCS bark carrying ships. And 8, special requirement in the event of an incident and fire precaution involving dangerous goods. 9 is the exemption, approval and certificate, including permit, authorization or agreement, and contact information for the main designated national competent authorities. This is the exemption, approval and certificates. And this is actually a simple flow, but in Indonesia, 9 to 10 steps of the stage that we just talk about, yeah. So from this stowage, segregation, yeah, how to handle during incident, yeah, how to handle on board to the ship, how to package, yeah, in baggage, how to control, how to transport the waste, and authority who in charge for permit and approval. And this is exemption and exception and the approval. So that is about the session 3 of IMDG code.